You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to turn off read receipts or blue ticks on WhatsApp. Open the WhatsApp application and tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Select Settings from this menu. In the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. Scroll down through the privacy options until you find the section labeled Read Receipts. Tap the toggle switch next to Read Receipts to turn it off. The switch will move to the left and turn gray. A message will appear explaining that turning this off will also prevent you from seeing read receipts from others. Tap OK to confirm. With this setting disabled, the blue double check marks will not appear for messages you read, and you will not see blue check marks for messages others read from you. However, note that read receipts cannot be turned off for group chats or for voice messages, which will always show when played. This setting is account-wide and applies to all your individual chats. You can turn read receipts back on at any time by following the same steps and toggling the switch on again. This gives you more privacy over when you choose to acknowledge a message. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.